Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our Pulley, and today we're going to be making our wheel. So let's select part design and we can call this part as a wheel, and let's click on OK. Now we can select our YZ plane, for example, and on this plane we can sketch two different rectangles, two centered rectangles. Let's start with our first rectangle. And we need a second rectangle, and then we need a circle. Okay, now we can fix the position of this point. As you can see here, we've got already our coincidence, but we can check this condition. We've got our coincidence, so we can fix this distance here, and let's say 4 millimeter. We can fix this distance 12, and we can fix this distance here, and this is 16. Okay, now we can fix the position of this segment here, and these two different segments. We've got coincidence between these two different elements. We want coincidence between this point and this axis. As you can see, we've got this condition. Okay, now we can fix this length, 24, and we can fix this distance here, and we can say 10.5. Now we want coincidence between this point and this axis, this segment here, coincidence, and let's click on OK. We can fix this radius, let's say 8. Okay. Now we double click on our quick trim. We can delete this and this, this and this, and we've got our profile. Now with exit workbench we can create with our shaft our element, and we can select with right click the z-axis as our axis, and OK. Now we can hide our plane, hide and show, and we can add a material. As always, we will use painting, for example, metal green. Selecting our wheel, and let's click on apply material and OK. Save as, we save, and yes. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. See you soon.